I love going to college with my children. It was a scary prospect at first because would they want me to? But we're really close anyway. And it's been amazing because if they need help and support, I can give it to them. We've just kind of become closer, to be honest. It's been much nicer being with each other here. Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm doing an artist designer maker course. So we came here for an open evening. It was beautiful, everyone showing all their gorgeous work. And I seen some older ladies sort of around my age, and it suddenly occurred to me that I wasn't too old to do this. I think when you hear that a course is going to cost you £7,000, you think, oh wow, well I can't do that then. But actually, you get a grant for £7,000, and if eventually you make over 25,000, you have to pay like £10, £20 a month. But it's not so scary when you hear it like that. And you also get sort of extra funding then to help you with living costs, which actually worked out as much as the wage I was getting to do a job that was not satisfying. So why wouldn't I do this? You'd come and do this, wouldn't you, if you could, something you love. I would really recommend you take the step and come. Everyone here is loving, supportive. You meet the most amazing characters. Even the youngsters are beautiful human beings in the art blocks and the other ones. And I just think go for it. Life's too short to go for it.